For a second year mechanical engineering student interested in kinematics of machines and mechanism design, there are several software tools that can be beneficial. Here are some widely used and user-friendly options. SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a popular 3D CAD, computer-aided design software that includes robust tools for mechanism design and kinematics analysis. It has a user-friendly interface and provides features like motion simulation to analyze the motion of mechanical systems. AutoCAD. AutoCAD is another widely used CAD software that is versatile for 2D and 3D drafting. While it's not as specialized for mechanism design as SolidWorks, it's a powerful tool and widely used in the industry. CATIA. CATIA is a comprehensive CAD and CAE computer-aided engineering software suite that includes powerful tools for kinematics and mechanism design. Is commonly used in the aerospace and automotive industries. We also have MATLAB stroke Simulink. MATLAB and Simulink are excellent tools for dynamic system, dynamic system simulation and analysis. Simulink in particular is well suited for modeling and simulating mechanical systems, making it a good choice for kinematic studies. Meg Designer. Meg Designer is a specialized software for mechanism design and motion analysis. It allows you to model and simulate the motion of machines and mechanisms with ease. Adams, MSC software. Adams is a multi-body dynamics simulation software that is specifically designed for studying the motion and forces in mechanical systems. It is commonly used for analyzing and optimizing the performance of mechanical systems. Cryoparametric. Cryoparametric, formerly known as Pro Stroke Engineer, is a powerful 3D CAD software that includes tools for mechanism design and motion analysis. It's widely used in various industries. Before selecting a software tool, it is good idea to check the availability of these tools at a institution, as some software may require specific licenses. Additionally, many of these tools offer educational version or student licenses that can be more affordable for students. Experiment with a few options to find the one that best suits your needs and preferences.